Welcome to another episode. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Starting a side hustle online and unlocking multiple income streams sounds like a dream come true. Imagine having more time to spend with friends and family and traveling anywhere you want, all while making more money. The best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started. Even as a beginner, there are dozens of ways you can start making extra money online. Number 5, get involved in market research. Companies are constantly looking for consumers to test websites and digital products and to provide feedback on their latest features. The good news is, you don't have to be a pro at using a product or service to take part in market research. In fact, brands are often looking for people who don't know much about their product to get their initial thoughts. A video game company, for example, might pay a gaming novice to test out how intuitive the game is for people of all levels. You don't have to test a game though. There are plenty of sites that record people using a website or navigating a new product and pay them for their efforts. For example, User Testing. User Testing pays $10 for a 20-minute screen recording, and survey sites like Swagbucks and Branded Surveys pay respondents for their time. Number 4, become an online tutor. Teach what you know. Everyone has something they're knowledgeable about, whether it's trigonometry, classic literature books, or Spanish conjunctions. The best part is, you'll need to be one step ahead of the person you're teaching to help them. Because of this, there are tons of websites that let people from all over the world sell their knowledge to students. And because the majority of lessons are done via video chat or even text chat, you can work remotely from anywhere. The industry has exploded during the pandemic, providing people with an easy way to make money online as a beginner, regardless of how much they know about a topic. Sites like TutorMe and 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 have an easy setup process and let you advertise your services to potential students in several different countries. Whether you're teaching math, science, English, or another language, if there's something you're particularly knowledgeable about, you can create short tutorials or sell your lessons to business owners. Number 3, sell your clothes and other belongings. Who doesn't have a never-worn-before shirt tucked away at the back of their closet? Selling your unwanted clothes and other items is a popular way to earn extra cash each month and clear out your home at the same time. Mobile apps like Poshmark, Etsy, and Craigslist let you upload your clothes, accessories, and other items to a personal storefront and sell them to shoppers all over the world. It's not just limited to clothing though. Consider selling ornaments, knickknacks, and furniture on eBay or local selling sites. Number 2, become an affiliate for your favorite products. Brand affiliates receive a unique link from a brand and get rewarded with a commission whenever someone in their network buys a product through clicking that link. Multiple brands offer an affiliate marketing program where you can sign up, get your link, and share it with your friends and family. The best part is, you can get paid for recommending products you would recommend anyway. Amazon's affiliate program lets you add a unique code to a URL to claim back a portion of the payment if someone you know or referred buys a product. It can be any product in Amazon's catalog. But there are also individual affiliate programs for different brands and storefronts that make it possible for you to become an affiliate for your favorite brands. Number 1, start a drop shipping business. Drop shipping allows you to sell products online without having to fulfill or ship orders yourself. Customers make a purchase via your store, which alerts a third-party manufacturer or supplier, who then sends the product directly to the customer. This commerce model can be a good way to build a small business. There's the opportunity to make a lot of money and earn passive income, but there can be a small learning curve to getting started if you don't know much about setting up your own website or an online store. However, e-commerce platforms like Shopify make it really simple for even the most novice dropshippers to set up a beautiful store and start getting sales. Choose a pre-made template, drag and drop your store and product information, and connect up your chosen dropship suppliers to start selling right away. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about how to start making money online. If you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.